Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headphones Sony with your Android device using NFC. Firstly, make sure that your NFC is turned on. On some Android phones you can check it at the control panel, but on my Pixel I have no information about NFC in the control panel. So I need to go to the settings and then to connected devices. Right here at the bottom I have connection preferences, so I click on it and I can check it here. But I checked this NFC on few Android phones, and usually it's located in the main menu. Let's say on realme you have it under the mobile network line, so it's something like here, and you click on connection, you will see something with connection, so on realme connection and sharing, and you click at this line. Or you can also use a search line. At the top we have it, and you just write NFC and then search. Click on it and check is it turned on. Now the best part, these headphones now are turned off, and I need to only put my headphones to the left ear cup. At the left ear cup, right here we have NFC icon, so you need to put your headphones there. And now it's turned off, but once I put it, right here I have a window that do I want to pair with it, so I click yes, but as you can see right here we have the LED light what blinking, and it's meaning that your headphones are turned on. So it automatically turn on after when you put your headphone to this NFC area. So you just click yes. Now if your headphones turn on and your headphones connected with another device, you cannot pair it, so you need to or turn off your headphones from your turn off your headphones and then put it to the this NFC area. But also you can give me a second, or disconnect your headphones from your phone, and then you can connect it when in turn on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.